Welcome to Mastering E. Today we're going to be working on problem 7.3. We are to determine the time constant for the following circuit. So first we're going to look for our resistance, which is just going to be 10 plus this little area right here. And we can see that we have these two resistors in series, but in parallel with this 40 kilo ohm resistor. So we can write this as 40 times 50, because that's the sum of those two, divided by 40 plus 50, which is just 90, which is altogether going to give us 32.22 kilo ohms. And for the time constant, we're going to need RC. Now we have R, so our C is going to be this 100 picofarad capacitor. So, simply put, we're going to have 32.22 times 10 to the negative, 10 to the positive 3. That'd be a very tiny constant, so very large time constant rather. So, and then we're going to have 100 times 10 to the negative 12 for our picofarad capacitor. And together, this is going to give us, I spoiled the unit, but this is going to give us 3.2 repeating microseconds, and this is our time constant. So yeah, that's the answer. If you have any questions, if I did anything wrong, make sure to comment them down below. If you want to watch more videos on chapter 7, they will be linked on screen now. Thanks for watching.